First up, prepping the canister. I'm using mild steel square tubing. First, a layer of titanium dioxide. Think of it as a Smith's non-stick spray. I want the bolts to weld to each other, not the container. We're stuffing this can tight as a Thanksgiving turkey and filling the voids with steel powder. No air allowed inside, or we'll end up with a sponge instead of a blade. Welding the lid shut. Crucial detail, you need a vent hole. Skip this, and expanding gases turn the canister into a frag bomb. And I'm not in the mood to catch shrapnel with my face today. Into the forge. We need a full soak at about 2300 degrees SPAF, 1250 to Celsius, to make sure that billet is heated clear to the core. To the press. This is the moment of truth. Under massive pressure, loose junk becomes a monolith. You've got to squeeze the billet from all sides. Too fast, and the can bursts like my patience on a Monday. Too slow, and the weld won't set. It's pure meditation backed by a hydraulic hum. Moving to the power hammer. Now we're drawing this bar out. Work it easy. We're not just squashing metal, we're shaping the future pattern. One sloppy move, and those bolts inside turn into a muddy mess. Control and rhythm. That's the name of the game.